All right, testing out my new and very crude exhaust system. All this is an inline fan, some duct work, basically going right out the window. Probably gonna build a stand for this down in the future, if this works. Got a good feeling about it. Seen a couple of different people do this on YouTube. Also, I'm gonna fire up the TIG welder here for the first time and see how she TIG welds. Gas. I'm not getting a freeze here from the welder. I believe I am. Alright. Let's fire this baby up and see what she can do. Got that pedal all the way to the floor. 72 volts to get that to wash in. Let's crank that up to 80. Much better. See any smoke coming out? So far, so good. Smells something. Probably just the crud that's in here burning off. Now let's lay a quick little bead. Let's see what happens. Hopefully the camera will catch any smoke getting coming off of this and getting sucked out the window. Still need a little. Actually, that's pretty good. That's some good color in there. Darn, I got the pedal maxed out still. Let's go up to 85. Okay. Let's weld the rest of this puddle and see what happens. The rest of the joint, I should say. That's barely washing in. You don't have to worry about color too much when you're welding mild steel. Yeah, not my best work. Alright, now let's turn her around and try the other side, and let's try the pulser. Get the heck out of here. Go ahead and sharpen my tungsten. Cut this part out. Didn't sharpen a couple pieces of tungsten like I should have. Oh well. You don't do you? Well, I have a gas lens on, so I can't do too much stick out. Alright, let's see here. Pulse does not seem to be on. this on. Alright. The background amps down a lot more. Turn it down to 50%. What that does. Pulse frequency, let's turn that up to 1. Usually it's pulses per second. This says frequency. I'm not quite sure what that means, but we're about to find out. There it goes. Definitely not hot enough, but there we go. I see zero smoke, so it looks like this is going to work. So next step is to build a stand. I gotta do something about this. This looks too darn ugly, just hanging out the window like that. And I didn't trip a breaker. Still need to put a 220 line in here and probably a separate box. Right now my garage is on my kitchen breaker, so I guess that's going to be a problem someday. Alright, yeah, things look good.